your urban gardener is here. This is the inspiration I got from Food Forest video channel. I like his videos and I definitely get a lot of inspirations. I see how he's doing on his backyard with fruit trees and veggies. So those are mine. Here I have 2 lines of trees, like mini orchard, 6 feet apart and 4 feet next to each other. So I try to keep varieties close to each other so they can cross-pollinate. So this is apple. I usually buy from Walmart. I buy trees from Menard and Home Depot. All 3 actually have 1-year replacement warranty or money back guarantee. So I had a couple trees last year died and they fully refunded. So you don't have anything to lose if your tree doesn't perform or die. So this is plum. This is semi Hail Heaven peach. It's even actually fruiting. See, this one. There's it. Or this. Yep. And this is pear, cherries, another cherry here. This is different variety of pear, a lot of flowers. This is nectarine. A different type of Asian apple. I'm sorry, pear. Pink lady apple. Home Depot. So this is still full of flowers. This is Honeycrisp apple. This is Matley plum, Japanese plum. This doesn't have any flowers yet. This is its first year in my backyard. This has full of flowers, as you can see. It's plum. I love that green plum. This is another type of variety of cherry. Lepin's sweet cherry. Oh, this is something that I definitely pressure a lot. Smyrna Queens. I see it's a couple of flowers and hopefully they will actually fruit. Yep, this is another Orient pear, Asian pear. And this is another pear. So I have pear, apple, plum, nectarine here. Try to just keep different types. And this one is also, I think, another Honeycrisp apple. Yep. So this is the view of the orchard side. The other side is my vineyard. This is orchard side. So please do not forget to like, comment, and let me know if you have any question or if you have any comment. Please do share. I value a lot. I'll keep you posted with the updates that they make, how they are performing. Yep. Thank you. Signing off.